This is probably the fourth night in a row that we're having souvlaki. I just can't get enough of it. All right, thanks for following along.
Loved having Heidi and her mom Kathy visit us this week to have some souvlaki together. So I'm going to show you how to make this famous souvlaki today. I am using boneless, skinless chicken thighs. These are organic that I picked up from Whole Foods. You can use breast meat if you prefer. I just love to use the thighs because I find that they're more tender. So I bought these already skinless and boneless, like I said, and I'm just going to cut them up in, these are probably over an inch size pieces. You can cut them bigger, they just take a little bit longer to cook. Once they're all cut up, you want to put 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1/8 of a cup of Greek olive oil, and 1 whole lemon. There you have it. So you want to blend those all in nicely, and you're just going to cover this and throw it in the refrigerator. You want to give it ideally at least a couple hours. You're welcome to just leave it in there overnight. You want to take your skewers and just soak them in some water, because if you don't do this, then the wood skewers would actually burn when you're barbecuing them. Okay, so this has been marinating for about 3 hours, and we are ready to put it in the skewers. So you want to drain the water. Skewers. This is the real souvlaki, not kebabs. Kebabs are not Greek. Souvlaki is Greek. These are ready to go on the grill. So you just want to season them a little bit more with some salt and pepper, and I'm using a half a lemon to squeeze over them before they get thrown on the grill. So we're using charcoal. You can use gas if that's what you have. But Phil wouldn't think of it. He only uses charcoal. Right, babes?
That's true.
Why is charcoal better?
I think it imparts a flavor on it that I don't think it's there when you use gas. That's just me though.
Yeah. Okay, so he's just laying these all out, and they're pretty much touching each other. Almost.
Yeah. I'm gonna wash this.
Okay, great. He is cooking. I took my pita bread out of the freezer, and now I'm just cutting it in quarters. Just like so. Okay. How long have these been cooking?
I give them like 5 to 7 minutes on each side before I turn them. Something like that, depending on how hot the fire is.
Okay, looking good.
It's not hot. Squeeze some lemon on these when they're just about ready. And they're just about ready. And then a little bit of oregano.
How much Greek do you have in you, babes?
Oh, like I think 13% on my mom's side, something like that. 18.
Ah,
So just enough to be good at this.
that's right. I used to call you my American husband, but
Now you're not so sure, are you?
yeah, I'm not so sure. All right, awesome. Now it's time to throw in our pita. What's that? And we used some Greek oregano, of course, thanks to my wonderful brother and sister-in-law who send me all these wonderful yummies straight from Greece.
All right, let's get some bread on here.
That looks wonderful. So you're just going to warm that up a little bit?
Yeah, these don't take long.
Awesome.
We're going to put this on here to stay warm while our bread heats up.
All right, sounds like a deal. Look at that.
Here we go.
Only thing missing is some krasaki. Ooh, and I made some tzatziki earlier today.
And here's some
Pita. All right, kalioriksi.
2 Souvlakis.
Ooh, so excited. All right, let's pray. How is that?
It's amazing.
Is it just like Greece?
Better.
Oh my gosh. This is so good. All right, guys. What a simple recipe. Isn't this amazing? So simple and so delicious. Next, I will show you how to make tzatziki sauce and pita bread. All right. Enjoy. Kalioriksi.